In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok profile to Sprout Social. By the end, you'll have your TikTok profile securely linked so you can manage content and insights right alongside your other social channels. First, open Sprout Social and log in with your account. From the main dashboard, head to Settings. You'll find this under Account and Settings in the navigation. This is where you manage your organization's connections and controls. Make sure you're signed in with a Sprout role that has permission to add profiles. If you don't see the options I'm describing, you may need an admin to grant access. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Connect a Profile. This is the entry point for linking any social network to Sprout. Clicking it starts a short, guided process that keeps everything secure and organized. Next, you'll be asked to choose a group. In Sprout, groups are containers that help you organize profiles by team, brand, or region. Select the group where you want your TikTok profile to live. Choosing the right group now saves time later, because permissions, publishing workflows, and reporting often follow the group you assign. After you've selected the group, click Connect and choose TikTok from the list of networks. This tells Sprout which platform you're linking and launches the secure connection flow. If you manage multiple TikTok profiles, it's a good idea to confirm which one you plan to connect before proceeding so the correct account is authorized. You'll be redirected to TikTok to log in and grant permissions. Enter your TikTok credentials and follow the prompts. TikTok will clearly list what access Sprout is requesting, such as basic profile information and the ability to manage or publish content on your behalf. Review these requests carefully, then authorize to continue. If your TikTok account has two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. And if you manage more than one TikTok login, using a private or incognito browser window can help ensure you're authorizing the intended account. Once you approve the permissions, TikTok will send you back to Sprout Social, and you'll see a confirmation that the connection is complete. Your TikTok profile should now appear inside the group you selected. Take a moment to verify the profile name and icon, and you're all set. If something doesn't look right, try refreshing the page or reauthorizing the connection. Common issues are usually tied to permission levels or being signed into the wrong TikTok account during authorization. That's it. You've connected your TikTok profile to Sprout Social and are ready to manage TikTok alongside your other channels in one place.